Hi chef, I am back. I just couldn't resist the first time I was here.
Welcome back. How are you?
I am good. There is so much cheese here.
Well, I love cheese from the European Union. You know, it's so good. It's amazing.
I agree, chef. And you know what? I think I'll move to Europe just for that cheese.
Well, you don't have to move to Europe because all these lovely delicacies are available right here in India. Sarah, did you know that there are about 1,000 varieties of cheese from the EU which are available?
Wow. Since it's from Europe, I'm pretty sure it's safe and good in quality.
Well, there is no doubt about that, Sarah, because European cheeses may come from a large factory, a small farmers cooperative, or even an individual farm. What is made sure that animal health is respected, the environment is respected, and it is produced safely.
Wow, that's impressive. I really want to try some now.
Well, try this feta PDO from Greece. It is actually great for your salads.
This is so good. I don't think you can get such amazing quality cheese anywhere else.
Well, Sarah, when it comes to cheeses, the European Union breaks it hands down. With robust regulations and utmost transparency, each batch of milk or dairy product produced in the EU is fully traceable. In fact, the European Union registered over 258 varieties of cheese and dairy products which are protected by the EU by law, offering consumers across the world a guarantee of their authentic character.
This is so good to know. Chef, tell me more about Parmesan cheese. I absolutely love that cheese.
Well, I am not going to tell you about it. Come, let's talk to Francesco from Italy.
Let's do that.
Hey Francesco. Well, tell me something. Parmesan is one of the greatest symbols of Italian tradition, right?
Certo, e la tradizione è fatta solo di 3 semplici ingredienti: latte, sale e caglio. Tutta la lavorazione viene fatta esclusivamente a mano in vasche di rame e poi viene avvolta in teli di lino.
We have heard that Parmigiano Reggiano has received European PDO. But what does that mean?
Significa che può essere prodotto esclusivamente in 5 province. Il microclima di queste province è indispensabile per dare qualità e sapore al latte e ogni produttore deve rispettare regole imposte dal Consorzio del Parmigiano Reggiano. Dopo 12 mesi di stagionatura il formaggio riceve un controllo finale e un nuovo marchio di selezione e solo allora si può chiamare Parmigiano Reggiano.
Well, Sarah, tradition doesn't only concern PDO cheeses. Some of the cheese makers make really amazing organic cheeses with the same high quality standards. Well, let's speak to Camille and see what she has to say. Hi Camille, tell us what makes the brie so delicious.
Alors un bon brie, c'est un fromage qui ne doit pas être trop coulant, avoir une légère amertume sur la croûte et selon les saisons, un petit goût de noisette.
Oh, so the taste changes with seasons?
Oui, au printemps, l'herbe est riche et le fromage est très goûteux. En hiver, les vaches produisent moins de lait, donc le lait est plus gras, comme le fromage. En revanche, en été, l'herbe est plus sèche et le fromage sera plus déshydraté. Notre fromage suit vraiment le cycle de la nature et des saisons. C'est un fromage de terroir, un fromage bio, fait à base de lait cru, qui fait toute sa richesse.
Well, more and more EU producers are today changing and switching from pasteurized cheese making to non-pasteurized cheese making, and that requires a very high standard of health and safety. So let's talk to Floor, a farmer and a milk producer from Netherlands. Hi Floor, tell us how you ensure the safety of your milk.
Dat doen we met onze koeien en onze weilanden. We hebben gekozen voor een traditioneel Nederlands ras en ze geven minder melk, maar ze passen zich heel goed aan het klimaat. En we voeden ze met gras van onze vel. Dat is gevarieerd en rijk en biologisch. Onze koeien zijn dus in uitstekende gezondheid, dankzij hun natuurlijke voeding. Gezondheidszekerheid begint eigenlijk daar, in de wei.
Okay, so what is the next step?
We testen de melk bij elke melkbeurt. De melk wordt gefilterd. en bij een temperatuur van maximaal 4 graden gedurende maximaal 3 dagen bewaard. Er worden regelmatig monsters naar het laboratorium gestuurd. We hebben melk van zeer hoge kwaliteit.
Well, now you feel hungry?
I just cannot wait now.
Well, you don't have to wait because I have already created this amazing cheese platter for the both of us to completely wipe up. Well, how about you guys make your own? Bring Europe on your plate, enjoy,